Algebra Word Problems number 22. Write, solve equations for consecutive integers. Consecutive integers are whole numbers that follow one another, and each number is found by adding 1 to the number before it. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, those are consecutive integers. They're just one more than the next one. And they can be negative. Negative 38, negative 37, negative 36. And see how each gets closer to 0 by adding 1? So we let x be the first consecutive integer, so x plus 1 would be the second one, and x plus 2 would be the third one. And the sum of the three consecutive integers would be x plus 1 plus x plus 2. All right, let's take a look at our word problem. See if we can write our equation for it. The sum of three consecutive integers is 126. 126. What are the numbers? So we think there's three integers. So we have something plus something plus something equals 126. And we know the equation from the rule is x plus 1 plus x plus 2. So it'll equal 126. And we can combine the like terms. There's 1x, 2x, 3x. So now we have 3x. And we add the numbers. 1 and 2 is 3. We have 3x plus 3. Does that look familiar to you, like a regular problem that we could just do inverse operations? Sure does. So because this is a plus 3, we can take away 3 from each side, can't we? And then that'll get x alone, or start to get it alone. So now we have 3x equals 123. 126 minus 3 is 123. So now, because 3x means 3 times x, 3 multiplied to x, the inverse of this to get rid of the 3 would be to divide it by 3. And we do. And this drops off. So now we just have x equals 41, because 123 divided by 3 is 41. So we know x is 41, but we're not done yet. We know x is 41. We've got to do x plus 1 and x plus 2. And we do. And we find out that 41 plus 1 is 42, and then 41 plus 2 is 43. So now we know what our three consecutive integers are, and they're 41, 42, and 43. And do they total 126? Yes, they do. We did it right. See? That wasn't that bad, was it? All right, let's try one that's got a little bit of a twist on it. What is 5 more than the largest of three consecutive integers if their sum is 72? So we think. Three consecutive integers equals 72, and whatever this one is, we have to add 5 of it to get our answer. So we know x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is going to be 72, and we know that whatever this x plus 2 is, we have to add 5 to it to get our answer. So we combine our like terms, the x, and the x is 3x. We combine our numbers and add them. 1 plus 2 is 3, and it equals 72. We can subtract 3 from each side to get this 3 to go away, can't we? So now this drops off as a 0 pair, and we end up with 3x equals 69. 72 take away 3 is 69. So now, because 3x means 3 times x, 3 multiplied to x, the inverse is division from multiplication. So we divide each side by 3 to get rid of this 3, and we do. It turns into a 1. And now we have x equals 23, because 69 divided by 3 is 23. We're not done. We need to do x plus 1. Well, that would be 24. And 23 plus 2 would be 25. Now we can add our 5 to it. 25 plus 5 is 30. Our answer is 30. See? So you just take it a little bit at a time, little step by step, and make sure you're answering exactly what the word problem is asking. What is 5 more than the largest one? So it's not just asking what the consecutive numbers are. It's asking you to find out what 5 more than that one would be. Okay? All right, we're going to do consecutive odd integers next. I'll hope to see you there. Bye.